Welcome to the fascinating world of mammals. One of the most defining features of mammals is their hair. Just as feathers are unique to birds, hair is the unmistakable hallmark of mammals. Even aquatic mammals like whales, which appear nearly hairless, retain some vestigial hair. Hair serves many purposes. It provides protection, waterproofing, camouflage, and even acts as a tool for behavioral signaling. Most importantly, hair offers thermal insulation, a key adaptation that allows mammals to maintain a stable body temperature in various climates. This insulation is crucial for homeothermy, enabling mammals to thrive in environments where other animals might struggle. As we begin our journey, remember, if an animal has hair, it's a mammal. Let's dive deeper into what makes this group so remarkable. Mammals are incredibly diverse, occupying nearly every environment on Earth. With about 4,600 species, they may not be the largest group compared to birds or insects, but they are the most biologically differentiated. Mammals range in size from tiny bats to massive blue whales. Their adaptability is impressive, but it has also made them vulnerable to human influence. We have domesticated mammals for food, clothing, and companionship, and used them extensively in research. However, human activities have also led to habitat destruction and overexploitation, threatening many mammal populations. Our relationship with mammals is a reminder that our survival is closely linked to the health of the natural world. As we continue, we'll explore how mammals evolved and adapted to their environment. Evolutionary story of mammals is one of the best documented in vertebrate history. Mammals descended from synapsids, a group of ancient amniotes that first appeared in the Carboniferous period. Synapsids are distinguished by a pair of openings in the skull which allowed for stronger jaw muscles. Over millions of years, synapsids diversified into various forms, including the pelycosaurs and therapsids. Therapsids, especially the cynodonts, developed key mammalian traits such as a higher metabolic rate, upright limbs, and a secondary palate. These adaptations set the stage for the rise of true mammals. The fossil record shows a gradual transition from small, ectothermic, hairless ancestors to the endothermic, furry mammals we know today. Early mammals appeared during the late Triassic period, around 200 million years ago. These small, shrew-like creatures had many of the features we associate with mammals today: enlarged brains, specialized teeth, and hair for insulation. Despite developing these traits, mammals remained relatively inconspicuous for millions of years, overshadowed by the dominance of dinosaurs. It wasn't until the extinction of many reptilian groups at the end of the Cretaceous that mammals began to diversify rapidly. This great radiation led to the emergence of the three main groups of living mammals: monotremes, marsupials, and placentals. Each group adapted to different environments and lifestyles, paving the way for the incredible variety we see today. Mammals are defined by a suite of unique adaptations. Their skin is thicker than that of other vertebrates, with a complex structure consisting of an outer epidermis and a thicker dermis. Hair grows from follicles embedded in the dermis, providing insulation and protection. Mammalian skin also features a variety of glands, including sweat, scent, sebaceous, and mammary glands. These glands play roles in temperature regulation, communication, lubrication, and nourishing young. The development of a secondary palate allows mammals to breathe while chewing or suckling, a crucial adaptation for feeding and nurturing offspring. These structural and functional innovations have enabled mammals to exploit a wide range of habitats and lifestyles. Hair is more than just a covering for mammals. It's a complex structure with multiple layers. Each hair consists of a medulla, core, cortex with pigment, and an outer cuticle. Hair grows from follicles and is made of keratin, the same protein found in nails and hooves. Mammals typically have two types of hair: dense underhair for insulation and longer guard hair for protection and coloration. In aquatic mammals, underhair is so dense that it remains dry even underwater. Hair can also be specialized into bristles, spines, or sensory whiskers called vibrissae. These adaptations help mammals survive in diverse environments, from icy tundras to dense forests. Mammals periodically shed and replace their hair in a process known as molting. Most species have two molts per year, with a thicker winter coat and a lighter summer coat. In some northern species like weasels and hares, the color of the coat changes with the seasons: white in winter for camouflage in snow and brown in summer. Outside the Arctic, mammals often have protective coloration such as spots or stripes to blend into their surroundings. Some, like skunks, use bold coloration as a warning to potential predators. These adaptations in hair color and molting patterns help mammals survive in their specific habitats. Some mammals have evolved hair into formidable defensive structures. Porcupines, hedgehogs, and echidnas possess spiny armor made of modified hairs. When threatened, these animals can use their quills to deter predators. For example, a porcupine will lash out with its barbed tail, and the quills can embed deeply into an attacker's skin, causing pain and potential injury. Vibrissae, or whiskers, are another specialized form of hair, providing a tactile sense that is especially important for nocturnal and burrowing mammals. These adaptations showcase the versatility of hair in the mammalian world. Mammalian skin is rich in glands, each serving a unique function. Sweat glands help regulate body temperature through evaporative cooling. There are two types: eccrine glands, which secrete watery fluid, and apocrine glands, which produce milky secretions often linked to reproductive cycles. Scent glands are used for communication, marking territory, and defense. Skunks are famous for their powerful scent glands. Sebaceous glands secrete sebum, a fatty substance that keeps skin and hair pliable and glossy. Finally, mammary glands are the hallmark of mammals, producing milk to nourish the young. These glands are essential for the survival and success of mammalian offspring. Mammals display a fascinating variety of horns and antlers. True horns found in animals like sheep and cattle are permanent structures made of keratin over a bony core. They are not shed and are usually present in both sexes. Antlers, on the other hand, are found in the deer family and are made of solid bone. They grow annually, covered in a soft vascular skin called velvet, which is shed once the antlers are fully developed. After the breeding season, antlers are shed and regrown each year. Rhinoceros horns are unique, composed of fused keratin fibers and not attached to the skull. These structures play roles in defense, competition, and display. Mammals have evolved a remarkable range of feeding adaptations. Their teeth and jaws are specialized for different diets, leading to four main trophic categories: insectivores, carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores. Insectivores like shrews and moles feed on insects and small invertebrates. Herbivores such as deer and rabbits have adaptations for grinding plant material, including broad molars and specialized digestive tracts. Carnivores like lions and wolves possess sharp teeth and powerful jaws for capturing and consuming prey. Omnivores, including bears and humans, eat both plant and animal matter. These feeding specializations are closely linked to the physical structure and behavior of each species. Herbivorous mammals face the challenge of digesting cellulose, a tough plant carbohydrate. No mammal produces enzymes to break down cellulose, so they rely on symbiotic bacteria and protozoa in their digestive systems. Some herbivores, like horses and rabbits, have a cecum, a fermentation chamber where microbes break down plant fibers. Others, like cattle and deer, are ruminants with a four-chambered stomach. They regurgitate and rechew their food, allowing microbes in the rumen to ferment cellulose. This process releases nutrients that the animal can absorb. These adaptations enable herbivores to thrive on a diet of grasses and other fibrous plants. Carnivorous mammals are equipped with sharp teeth and strong jaws for hunting and consuming other animals. Their digestive tracts are relatively short, as animal protein is easier to digest than plant material. Carnivores often organize their feeding into discrete meals, allowing more time for other activities. Omnivores, on the other hand, have versatile teeth and digestive systems that allow them to eat both plants and animals. This flexibility enables them to exploit a wide range of food sources, making them highly adaptable to changing environments. Examples include bears, raccoons, and most primates, including humans. A migration is more common in birds. Some mammals undertake impressive seasonal journeys. The bear and ground caribou of Canada and Alaska migrate hundreds of kilometers between winter forests and summer tundra, facing challenges like predators and biting insects. Oceanic mammals, such as fur seals and whales, also migrate long distances between breeding and feeding grounds. These migrations are driven by the need for food, favorable climates, and safe places to raise young. However, not all mammals migrate. Many prefer to remain within a defined home range. Migration patterns highlight the adaptability and resilience of mammals in diverse environments. Mammals have conquered the skies in unique ways. Bats are the only mammals capable of true flight, thanks to their modified forelimbs that form wings. They are mainly nocturnal and use echolocation to navigate and hunt in complete darkness. Some other mammals, like flying squirrels, have developed gliding abilities. These animals use a membrane of skin stretched between their limbs to glide from tree to tree, covering impressive distances. Gliding and flying have evolved independently in several mammalian groups, showcasing the incredible adaptability of this class. Bats have developed an extraordinary adaptation: echolocation. When flying, bats emit high-frequency sound pulses from their mouth or nose. These pulses bounce off objects and return as echoes, allowing bats to build a mental map of their surroundings. Echolocation enables bats to hunt insects and avoid obstacles in total darkness. Some prey, like nocturnal moths, have even evolved the ability to detect these ultrasonic calls and evade capture. The precision of bat echolocation is so refined that it rivals the visual acuity of diurnal animals. This adaptation has allowed bats to occupy ecological niches that are largely inaccessible to other mammals. Mammals exhibit a variety of reproductive strategies. Monotremes, such as the duck-billed platypus and echidna, are egg-laying mammals found in Australia and New Guinea. Females lay eggs with leathery shells, which are incubated in burrows or pouches. After hatching, the young feed on milk secreted from the mother's mammary glands. Monotremes represent the most primitive reproductive pattern among mammals, combining features of reptiles and more advanced mammals. Despite their rarity, monotremes provide valuable insights into the evolutionary history of mammalian reproduction. Marsupials, such as kangaroos, koalas, and opossums, have a unique reproductive strategy. After a short gestation period, marsupial young are born at a very early stage of development. They crawl into the mother's pouch, where they attach to a nipple and continue to grow and develop. The pouch provides protection and nourishment during this vulnerable period. Marsupials have a primitive placenta, but most of the reproductive investment is in prolonged lactation rather than gestation. This strategy allows marsupials to adapt to environments where resources may be unpredictable. Placental mammals, or eutherians, represent the most advanced reproductive strategy among mammals. Embryos develop inside the uterus, nourished by a complex placenta that allows for prolonged gestation. This results in young that are more fully developed at birth. Gestation periods vary widely, from a few weeks in mice to nearly 2 years in elephants. Placental mammals have diversified into a vast array of forms, occupying nearly every terrestrial and aquatic habitat on Earth. Their reproductive success is a key factor in their evolutionary dominance. Mammalian populations are constantly changing in size due to a variety of factors. Some fluctuations are density independent, caused by weather or natural disasters. Others are density dependent, linked to population crowding and resource availability. Rodents, for example, can experience dramatic population booms and crashes. Lemmings are famous for their mass migrations following population peaks, while snowshoe hares and lynxes in North America exhibit classic predator-prey cycle. Understanding these dynamics helps us appreciate the complex interactions between mammals and their environments. One of the most studied examples of population dynamics is the cycle between snowshoe hares and lynxes in Canada. Hares reproduce rapidly, leading to population peaks every 10 years. As hare numbers rise, lynx populations also increase due to the abundance of prey. Eventually, overpopulation and increased predation cause the hare population to crash, followed by a decline in lynx numbers. This cycle is influenced by factors such as food availability, predation, and even psychological stress among hares. These dramatic fluctuations allow vegetation to recover and set the stage for the next cycle. Humans belong to the order Primates, a group characterized by grasping fingers, flat fingernails, and forward-facing eyes. Primates are divided into two main lineages: prosimians, lemurs, tarsiers, lorises, and simians, monkeys, apes, and humans. Arboreal lifestyles favored the evolution of flexible limbs, good vision, and large brains. These adaptations allowed primates to manipulate objects, use tools, and develop complex social behavior. The evolutionary history of primates provides important clues about our own origins. Simians, or higher primates, include New World monkeys, Old World monkeys, and apes. New World monkeys are found in South America and are known for their prehensile tails. Old World monkeys, such as baboons, lack grasping tails but have more advanced thumbs and teeth. Apes, including gorillas, chimpanzees, and humans, first appeared about 25 million years ago. The shift from arboreal to terrestrial life in some apes led to the evolution of upright posture and increased brain size. These changes set the stage for the emergence of hominids, our direct ancestors. Earliest hominids, known as Australopithecines, appeared about 4.4 million years ago. These bipedal primates had a mix of ape-like and human traits, including upright walking and relatively small brains. Fossils like Lucy, Australopithecus afarensis, provide crucial evidence of our evolutionary history. Australopithecines gave rise to both robust forms, adapted for heavy chewing, and more gracile forms that are considered direct ancestors of the genus Homo. The study of these fossils helps us understand the transition from tree-dwelling primates to ground-dwelling humans. Around 2 million years ago, the genus Homo appeared, marking a significant step in human evolution. Homo habilis, one of the earliest members, was fully erect and had a larger brain than Australopithecines. This species is known for using stone and bone tools, a major advancement in survival and adaptation. Homo erectus followed with an even larger brain and a more robust body. This species spread widely across Africa, Europe, and Asia, developing complex social structures and cultures. The evolution of Homo set the stage for the eventual rise of modern humans. After the disappearance of Homo erectus, Homo sapiens emerged, eventually replacing Neanderthals about 30,000 years ago. Neanderthals were skilled hunters and tool users with brain capacities similar to modern humans. However, modern humans developed more advanced tools, art, and language, leading to the rapid expansion of culture and technology. The unique combination of biological and cultural evolution distinguishes Homo sapiens from all other animals, allowing us to shape and adapt to our environment in unprecedented ways. Mammals are classified into several major groups based on reproductive and anatomical features. The two main subclasses are Prototheria, which includes monotremes, and Theria, which includes marsupials and placentals. Within Theria, marsupials are grouped under Metatheria, while placental mammals belong to Eutheria. Each order within these groups is characterized by unique adaptations, such as flight in bats, Chiroptera, aquatic life in whales, Cetacea, or gnawing in rodents, Rodentia. This classification reflects the incredible diversity and evolutionary history of mammals. Monotremes are the only egg-laying mammals, represented by the duck-billed platypus and echidnas. Found in Australia and New Guinea, these animals possess a mix of reptilian and mammalian traits. They lay eggs, but after hatching, the young are nourished with milk. Monotremes lack nipples, instead milk is secreted through openings in the skin. Their unique reproductive strategy provides a glimpse into the early evolution of mammals. Marsupials are best known for their pouches, where underdeveloped young complete their development after birth. This group includes kangaroos, koalas, and opossums. Marsupials are primarily found in Australia, but some species exist in the Americas. Their reproductive strategy allows them to quickly respond to changing environmental conditions, as gestation is short and lactation is prolonged. This adaptation has contributed to their survival in diverse and sometimes harsh habitat. Placental mammals are the most widespread and diverse group of mammals. Their advanced placenta allows for longer gestation periods and the birth of more developed young. This group includes rodents, bats, primates, carnivores, and many others. Placental mammals have adapted to nearly every environment on Earth, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. Their reproductive success and adaptability have made them the dominant group of mammals today. Rodents are the most numerous order of mammals, with nearly 2,000 species. They are characterized by continuously growing incisors adapted for gnawing. Rodents occupy a wide range of habitats and play important roles in ecosystems as seed dispersers, prey, and sometimes pests. Their ability to reproduce rapidly and adapt to changing environments has contributed to their evolutionary success. Bats are unique among mammals for their ability to fly. Their wings are formed by a membrane of skin stretched between elongated fingers. Bats are found worldwide and play vital roles as pollinators, seed dispersers, and insect controllers. Most bats use echolocation to navigate and hunt, making them highly effective nocturnal predators. Their diversity and ecological importance make them a fascinating group within the mammalian class. Carnivores are adapted for hunting and consuming other animals. They possess sharp teeth, strong jaws, and powerful limbs. This group includes dogs, cats, bears, weasels, and marine mammals like seals and sea lions. Carnivores play crucial roles in maintaining ecosystem balance by controlling prey populations. Some, like the giant panda, have evolved to eat primarily plants, demonstrating the flexibility and adaptability of this group. Ungulates are hoofed mammals divided into two main groups: odd-toed Perissodactyla and even-toed Artiodactyla. Odd-toed ungulates include horses, zebras, and rhinoceroses, while even-toed ungulates include deer, cattle, sheep, and goats. Many ungulates are herbivores with specialized teeth and digestive systems for processing plant material. Their adaptations for running and grazing have allowed them to thrive in grasslands and savannas around the world. Cetaceans, including whales, dolphins, and porpoises, are fully adapted to aquatic life. Their bodies are streamlined for swimming, and their limbs have evolved into flippers. Cetaceans have a thick layer of blubber for insulation and use echolocation for navigation and hunting. They are among the most intelligent mammals, with complex social structures and communication systems. The evolution of cetaceans from land-dwelling ancestors is one of the most remarkable stories in mammalian history. Obsidians, represented today by elephants, are the largest land mammals. They are characterized by their long trunks, large ears, and tusks. Elephants have complex social structures and are known for their intelligence and memory. Their size and strength allow them to shape their environments, creating water holes and clearing vegetation. The conservation of elephants is a major concern due to habitat loss and poaching for ivory. Lagomorphs include rabbits, hares, and pikas. They are similar to rodents but have 4 upper incisors instead of 2. Lagomorphs are adapted for rapid reproduction and are important prey for many predators. Their ability to quickly colonize new areas and their role in food webs make them key species in many ecosystems. The Narthrans include anteaters, armadillos, and sloths, primarily found in Central and South America. These mammals have unique skeletal features and specialized diets. Anteaters feed on ants and termites using long tongues, armadillos have protective armor, and sloths are adapted for a slow, arboreal lifestyle. Their distinct adaptations highlight the diversity of mammalian evolution. Success of mammals as a group is not due to perfection in any single organ system, but rather their overall adaptability. Mammals have evolved to fit perfectly into a wide range of environments, from deserts to rainforests, oceans to mountaintops. Their ability to regulate body temperature, care for their young, and exploit diverse food sources has allowed them to become one of the most successful groups of animals on Earth. Humans are the product of the same evolutionary processes that shaped all mammals. However, our capacity for cultural evolution sets us apart. Language, conceptual thought, and the ability to manipulate our environment have allowed us to create complex societies and technologies. Our arboreal ancestry gave us binocular vision and dexterous hands, essential for tool use and problem solving. The story of human evolution is a testament to the power of adaptation and innovation. Let's recap the key characteristics that define mammals. Hair for insulation and protection, mammary glands for nourishing young, a highly developed brain, and a four-chambered heart. Mammals are endothermic, maintaining a constant body temperature, and exhibit a wide range of reproductive strategies. Their teeth are differentiated and replaced only once in a lifetime. These traits, combined with behavioral flexibility, have enabled mammals to thrive in nearly every corner of the globe. Mammals are divided into numerous orders, each with its own unique adaptations. From the aquatic cetaceans to the burrowing moles, the flying bats to the grazing ungulates, mammals have evolved to fill almost every ecological niche. This diversity is a testament to the evolutionary success of the class Mammalia. Understanding the characteristics of each order helps us appreciate the complexity and beauty of the mammalian world. As the most powerful product of organic evolution, humans have a unique responsibility to protect the natural environment. Many mammal species are threatened by habitat destruction, overhunting, and climate change. Conservation efforts are essential to preserve the diversity and ecological roles of mammals. By understanding and valuing the natural world, we can ensure a future where humans and other mammals coexist in harmony. The story of mammals is one of adaptation, innovation, and resilience. From their origins among ancient synapsids to their current diversity, mammals have continually evolved to meet the challenges of changing environments. Their success is built on a foundation of unique traits and remarkable flexibility. As we look to the future, the legacy of mammals reminds us of the importance of adaptation and the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. In summary, mammals are a diverse and adaptable group of animals defined by hair, mammary glands, and complex behaviors. Their evolutionary journey has been shaped by environmental challenges and opportunities, leading to the incredible variety we see today. From tiny shrews to giant whales, mammals play vital roles in ecosystems around the world. By studying and protecting mammals, we gain a deeper understanding of our own place in the natural world and the importance of preserving biodiversity for future generations.